There are many problems that includes, number one, subsidence po downriver. Number two,
I'm sorry?
subsidence po or sinking of the land.
But
Opo.
that's what precisely what he was explaining, is that hindi na nga napuno na. So, downriver sa inyo. Kaya nga hindi na bumababa yung tubig dahil puno na dito sa baba.
Naiimbuto po.
Kaya nga, pero hindi, this is not something that we're doing intentionally. It is something that has happened because napakalakas ng ulan.
Hindi po napakalakas ng ulan because the water in
Napakalakas ng ulan doon sa taas, kaya bumaba yung tubig.
Yes po, but the
All right.
water level was
Let's,
not abnormally high.
instead of arguing about it, what do you suggest?
Ito po ang suggestion ko. I will go, reasons, no? Sige na po, okay, excessive rain. But this is not the largest storm that ever hit Pampanga. Number two po, silting po. The rivers are silted down river.
Let me focus you a little more
Opo.
clearly. What is your objection to the plan as Mr. Babe Singson has just done?
My objection to the plan, Candaba po, is this has been going on for a long
What
time.
has been
Gusto
going
po
on?
nila, yung tubig po sa Candaba gagamitin po sa kanilang waterworks. Ngayon po, Candaba is, ito lang food security po ang importante sa Candaba. Hindi po natin pwedeng galawin. And number two, this is private land. Hindi po pwedeng mag-impounding lang po
Okay,
ng
so
tubig
what's the
doon.
solution?
The solution po is to continue dredging, to check po on the flood control plan po of the Bulacan Airport to make sure makalabas po yung tubig.
Having supervised
And-
and administered all these dredging projects all around the country, they are temporary and exceedingly expensive.
Sir, meron po kaming Korean loan that's going to happen. So sana po matuloy po yun.
Everywhere that we dredge, bumabalik din eh. Hukay ka ng hukay, tapos after 6 months, wala pang 6 months, puno na naman.
Ang meron po namin is dredging with slope protection. That is the subject of our
The,
Korean
the,
loan.
the siltation does not come from the slope. The siltation comes from upriver.
Totoo naman po yun.
It's upriver dahil nakalbo na yung mga bundok natin. So bumababa ang topsoil. And kahit na i-dredge mo, bababa pa rin yan. So that's the problem. You cannot continue to dredge. Number one, I will tell you, first, it is a very temporary solution. It lasts for, maganda na yung 4 to 6 months. Tapos magde-dredge ka ulit. Number two, napakamahal gawin. So, we cannot continue to do this as a solution na every season magde-dredge tayo. Malulugi ang buong gobyerno kung yan lang ang gagawin natin. We have to find a long-term solution. Now, the Candaba Swamp is not being proposed to be used as for one thing or another except as an impounding to keep the water up here na hindi bumababa. Hindi naman sisirain yung hanap buhay doon. Swamp na nga eh. Dadagdagan lang ng tubig.